Very excited. It's like Christmas Day for me. I'm pretty excited for it and can't wait to get out there and get this season started. Very optimistic. Colorado is a very good team. They stay very organized, very disciplined, and so I think the key things for us is when we do have space and can break, we have to do it with the right time and the right speed. And in the final third, we have to have the right pass and the finish, and I think we'll do all right.
Miracle once again. Quincy stays with it this time. Takes it off the touch. Now leading the man to the outside. Quintero looking for Wondolowski. The header. Wando! 1-0 Earthquakes. How appropriate that Wando, the first goal of the year for the Earthquakes in 2016, 1-0 San Jose.